Rise and grind, man. Back with the Pull Up King. So I got a quick video real quick. I want to show y'all what's going on with this 07 INFINITI G37 or G35. I'm sorry. All right, so client hit me up, said he needed to diagnose this vehicle. He replaced the O2 sensors. He had a mechanic rewire one of the wires because it was messed up. So I pretty much went over it, checked that work, and found nothing was wrong with the O2 sensors. The wires are brand new, look good, nothing broken. But I did want to check out the fuse for the oxygen sensor. These vehicles have a fuse for it. Which one is it? Right here, 15 amp O2 sensor. Now this is what the sensor, the fuse look like, and it's blown, as you can see. Got a gap in between it, and these are the fuses. 15 amp. Where's the you can see that's connected. When it's a gap in between it, it's a blown fuse. Now my client said he checked this, and I'm like, you sure? He didn't sound too sure, too positive. He said it seemed good, so I checked it for him, and that is the location right there. And it's pretty much on this side, that one right there, 15 amp. Second from the last. So man, if that video, it might help y'all, man, because I actually didn't know it had a O2 sensor fuse for this vehicle. But I learned something new today, and I got one. So I actually have the same one, a 07 G35. But I'm about to start doing work on it. Got that motor in there. But yeah, man, next video, Pull Up King. I'm gone.